Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the two profile icon in the top section of your screen. Here, tap on Invite Friends option in the bottom section of your screen. Now you can invite your friends through your Facebook account, WhatsApp account and with your contact number as well. Similarly, if you click on Share option, then you'll get even more options to choose from. Select one according to your preference and send the invite link to your friends. So that is how you can invite your friends on Scrabble Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.